And we're back with a live look at our state capitol. And tonight, California is a step closer to becoming a sanctuary state. Today, the Senate passed a bill that would limit cooperation between local law enforcement and federal immigration officers.
Here in California, we're saying we're going to take care of our folks.
And KCRA 3's Dana Griffin is live at the Capitol now to explain this contentious issue.
That's right. Senate Bill 54 would allow local law enforcement to be on task forces with ICE as long as the primary function is not immigration enforcement. That bill passed today and now moves on to the Assembly. Supporters of keeping ICE out of California cheer and high five outside the Senate doors once the sanctuary Senate bill passed. Jocelyn Avelica says her father was detained outside of her sister's school last month, and he's in jeopardy of being deported.
This will help other families, and I wouldn't want any other family to go through the pain our family is going through.
The Trump administration has threatened to withhold federal funding to sanctuary cities, and Senate President Kevin De Leon says he hopes this push forward won't hurt the state.
Will he strike back at us? We don't know. We hope not. He's the president of the greatest country in the world. It's not about retribution. It's about bringing the country together, not tearing at the fabric of who we are as a nation.
Sacramento is one of many California counties that allows ICE agents full access to the county jail. Last week, Sheriff Scott Jones explained why.
The best way to keep widespread nets from being cast in our communities is to allow us to cooperate in our jails to protect the community from the worst of the worst. We need to allow ICE to come in and carry out their mission and remove these folks if appropriate.
And Republican Senator Joel Anderson of San Diego says this bill is the greatest threat to dreamers.
By not allowing ICE access to felons in our prison system, it forces them to go door to door. And when they come into the undocumented communities, they're not just going to take felons, they're going to take everyone.
One of the concessions to the bill is to allow local law enforcement to notify ICE when someone is about to be released from custody and they've been convicted of a very serious or violent crime. Live in Sacramento, Dana Griffin, KCRA 3 News.
So, Dana, any indication yet if this is going to pass in the Assembly?
You know, not at this point, but it sounds like there could be more amendments made in order for it to pass.
Okay, well, we'll see what happens, and we'll see if California does become a sanctuary state. Thank you, Dana. In the meantime,